First thing we did is we called 811 for a stakeout. We came out and staked it out. We got to wait 2 business days. We dug our excavation to do a repair. And we did the repair with reeds, squeeze off tool.
We're gonna do a squeeze off on this 2-inch main. Clean off the main, inspect it.
Usually in plastic pipe you have a lot of static electricity. So we always have to ground from the bank back to the work area. Put this bar.
Yep.
Bring it down.
I'm gonna go fast for right now just so I can get it lined up better.
Well, we're pretty much centered right there.
It spins so smoothly.
1 inch per minute. Momentarily pauses. Technically, the only way you can put high density and medium density pipe together is with a mechanical fitting. So there's our repair, it's all done. What we would do now, we would gas test it, pressurize this main, and then soap test it, make sure there's no leaks. We'd release our squeeze off tool, and then we inspect our squeeze off. When we squeezed off, we make sure we didn't do any damage to our pipe. See, the repair took less than digging the hole, really. Everything went fast, the repair went fast. Now we can backfill this situation and be gone and go do another job. They're an awesome tool. We buy them all the time.